Discuss another beating point. This is regarding to like a Chandrayaan. ISRO congratulate Russia's Luna 25 mission because you know that ISRO also congratulate Roscosmos on successful launch of Russia's first lunar mission in 50 years. I would like to tell you that very fantastic picture also I would like to show you that in this photo which is released by Roscosmos State Space Corporation, the Soyuz second 1B rocket with the moon lander Luna 25 automatic station is set at the launch pad at the Vostochny Cosmodrome in the Russian Far East on Tuesday, August 8, 2023. Luna 25 is a Russian lunar lander mission scheduled to launch later in August. You know that Indian Space Research Organization ISRO on Friday congratulated the Russian State Space Corporation, that is Roscosmos, for the successful launch of the country's first lunar mission in around 50 years. The last lunar mission undertaken by Russia was during the Soviet Union era. It was 1977 76 or 76 to 77. Congratulations, Roscosmos, on the successful launch of Luna 25. Wonderful to have another meeting point in our space journeys. Wishes for the Chandrayaan 3 and Luna 25 mission to achieve their goals. ISRO posted on Twitter. Russia had launched the country's first moon mission in 47 years. On Friday, Luna 25 took off from the Vostochny launch facility abroad a Soyuz second frigate rocket at 8:10 a.m. at a local time. On Friday, the frigate booster separated from the rocket's third stage almost 564 seconds after the launch, a reported. Luna first, roughly the size of a small car, will aim to operate for a year on the moon's south pole, where scientists at NASA and other space agencies in recent years have detected traces of water ice in the region's shadowed craters. Shadowed crater मतलब हल्के से crater. According to Yuri Veriskov, the head of Russia's space agency Roscosmos, the lunar lander is anticipated to make contact with the moon's surface on August 21st. This contacts with a Roscosmos earlier announcement of August 23 as the projected landing date. Through the mission, Russia aimed to achieve the distinction of becoming the first country to have a soft landing on the moon's surface at the South Pole, near the South Pole. According to Wall Street Journal, the first ever landing at the South Pole could help scientists understand if there could be sufficient ice quantities to provide fuel, oxygen, drinking water for supporting human settlements in the future. The report notes that the four-legged Luna 25 is equipped with 1.6 long lunar robotic arm for removing and collecting surface deposits and various scientific instruments like the study of plasma and dust study components of the lunar polar exospheres. Exosphere means very important because that is not our atmosphere. Exosphere means atmosphere on the moon. Roscosmos Roscosmos said the 1764-pound four-legged Luna 25 is expected to gather a reading on the lunar surface for a year. It worked for 1 year. According to Roscosmos, it is equipped with a 1.6 meter long lunar robotic arm to remove and collect surface deposit and several scientific instruments, including for the study of plasma and dust components on the lunar polar exosphere. The success of Luna 25 mission carries significant importance as the Russia government asserts that sanctions imposed by Western countries due to the Ukraine conflict, including those aimed at the aerospace industry, have not managed to severely damage the Russian economy. Jai Hind.